Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can customize always on display on OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to find the customization options for AOD, we need to go to the settings. Over here we need to swipe a little bit down and go to wallpapers and style, and finally over here we have always on display. We can go over here. First of all, of course, we need to make sure that AOD is enabled, but in addition to that, we can, for instance, enable the contextual info, like we have the music playback, which can be enabled over here, and we also can see supported apps over here. Now, let's go back. Over here we have more display settings, where we can find the display mode, and we can check that always on display will be turned off when the battery is lower than 10% and is not being charged. So we have the power saving option, where it says that the always on display will not be shown if the phone has been stationary for a while. You can also set it to scheduled in order to make it enabled and disabled from time to time, and we can also set it to all day. In addition to that, we can select what kind of info we want to see in AOD, so we can enable and disable the time, the date, the battery, and notifications. For some reason, if I enable and disable time, nothing happens. I can still see the time. Perhaps there's actually the change made in the AOD itself anyway. So let's go back. If you want to personalize a little bit AOD, then over here we have Bitmojis, we have canvas, we have custom patterns, text and image, and below we also have some system options like the insight, for instance, and then we can press OK, and over here we can press apply if we want to use it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!